You hungry, Phoenix? Hey, you hungry? Damn, you're killing it. Alright, you guys, so that was my dog eating her meal. Anyway, so here is a bunch of dirty sponges I pretty much collected in this container. And when it's time to give them a nice little cleaning, I just clean and wash them. But today, I'm going to try a different method. So, like I said, I have a bunch of dirty sponges. And then I have this, it's a dish soap. It's the Palmolive antibacterial dish soap, right? And then I have a plastic bag. Alright, so this trick that I learned, first of all, I don't know if it's going to work or not because it's my first time trying this. So you and I are both going to find out if it works. But this little trick, if you will, that I learned it on, I believe I saw it on WIshtrend. So if you want to check out their video and how they did their stuff, you can. But I just took their ideal and now I'm trying to incorporate it into my video. So thank you, WIshtrend, for such a great ideal. We'll see if it works or not. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to take my dirty, what do you call it? Dirty sponges, dirty beauty sponges, and place them in the bag right here. Alright, there you go, just like that, in the plastic Ziploc bag. And yeah, not all of them are sponges, but you know, whatever. I'm just going to dump them in there and see if they all clean too. So there we go. Next, I'm going to take this, and you got to make sure the bag has no holes in it, alright? So I'm going to take this and fill it with some water. I'm going to use warm water. You don't have to, but that's just what I'm going to use. Alright, so the bag is filled with water, and just be careful because, I mean, you don't want to spill it everywhere. So you got your bag filled with water, and then take your soap and just kind of dump it in there and just, yeah, mix it all around. So let's put some soap in this bag of water. Alright, I have my bag all nice and sealed, and just make sure it's sealed tightly because, you know, there's water in here. And I try to take out as much air as possible because the next step requires you to kind of like massage the sponges. And if there's air in it, it's kind of hard to do that. You can already tell these sponges are being cleaned. Look at that. The water is dirty. Look at that. It's crazy. Alright, let's start massaging these sponges. So I'm going to just take one hand and just kind of gently, because you don't want to puncture any of the bag or the sponges. So just massage, let it soak in all that water. Wow, that water looks disgusting. Look at that, you guys. It's actually cleaning the sponges. It's crazy. Alright, I think I did a pretty decent job, you know, massaging and cleaning out the sponges. I'm going to go ahead and dump this out and then come right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back, and I actually dumped out all the water and then put in some new clean water. Alright, so one more time, I'm going to just massage the sponges, and just to make sure, you know, the sponges are nice and clean. You know, see the soap coming out of the sponge? You want all of that out. Alright, so that looks like that's pretty good. You can tell that it's clean already because before the soap was brown and dirty, but now the soap is nice, white, and clear and clean. So I'm going to rinse out the sponges individually and then come back and show you guys the result. Alright, you guys, here are my clean sponges and like makeup scrubbers and all that good stuff. So here is my Real Technique sponge. I think it did a pretty good job cleaning it, right? Here is my Morphe sponge. Another like jumbo size Real Technique. It's like the face and body sponge. I believe that's what it's called. More Real Technique sponges. My little silicone sponge. I mean, this is like really easy to clean, so it didn't have to go through all that process, but I threw it in there anyways. My two little facial scrubbers. This one did a really good job cleaning it. It looks pretty much brand new. This one, I mean, it did an okay job. You can tell the difference. I mean, right here. I believe this is probably time to toss out, so I'm just going to throw that away or just use it for something else. And then my little facial scrubber. And yeah, I think overall did a really good job. I'm really happy with the results. So if you want to know if this worked, then yeah, it did work nicely. And should you try it? Yeah, I think you should. So yeah, that's it, guys. Okay. I know you can't see my face in this video, but there really is no point because that's the end of the video. Don't forget to click subscribe and tap on the notification bell. Follow me on my social platforms. And that is pretty much it, guys. Alright, bye.